Hello, so I'm gonna teach you how you can change your Wix website theme or template. So first you need to have a premium website, and to do that you need to upgrade to a premium so you can connect your domain into other websites of your own. So I clearly don't have any website with a premium one, so I'm gonna show you this clip instead. So first you need to create a new website and then go to domains, and then you can see your new website there, and then just click the three dots and then assign to different site. So you can see that you can assign your premium website, the template of it, to your other website. And now you have successfully assigned it to your other site. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.